Hello and welcome to the TrackLock Seismic Wall Bracing Training Session. Today you will learn how to install TrackLock and DefLock seismic bracing for partition walls. TrackLock is a pre-engineered, off-the-shelf solution for seismically securing part-height partition walls. Additionally, the DefLock solution seismically secures part-height partition walls that require more than 15 to 20 millimeters of vertical deflection allowance. At TrackLock, we believe the way to better building practices is through logic and compliance. Our core philosophy of saving lives, property, and assisting business continuation has led us to develop the TrackLock and DefLock range of products. These solutions enable architects, designers, structural engineers, and construction professionals to mitigate the risk of non-structural failure in commercial buildings. So let's get started. For your first step, take your TrackLock Retro and screw directly into the head track. Remember to rotate the fly plate to access the screw holes. Step 2. Measure the distance to structure from the fly plate below the screw holes. Step 3. Cut your brace material to the length as per the chart provided. Remember to ensure that all the screw ports are filled. Step 4 is to connect the bracing material to TrackLock top connectors with 10 gauge WaferTech screws. Now it's time to connect the bracing material to the TrackLock fly brace using the same 10 gauge WaferTech screws. The next step is to fix the TrackLock top connectors to structure over with approved anchors. Now repeat steps 3 through to 6 to complete both arms of the TrackLock brace. Well done, your TrackLock install is complete.